So how do you close tabs on your Android phone? Let's make it simple. But before that, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe or click the follow button to be updated with our latest upload. Most of the time, this means closing tabs in your web browser. Let's go ahead and open our browser. In the corner, you will see this small square with a number inside. This number shows how many tabs are open. Now tap on it. You will see in here all the tabs that are open. Now to close tab, swipe it to the left or right. You can also tap the small X button on the tab to close it. If you want to close the tab that you are currently using, you can press and hold the small square button and a pop-up will appear. Then choose the option to close it. Now to close all tabs at the same time, click these three dots in the top right corner, then tap Close All Tabs. You may also see inactive tabs. These are tabs that you have not used for 21 days or more. You can close all of them with just one tap. So basically, I'm showing you is for Google Chrome because many people use it. But if you're using Samsung Internet or other browser, the steps are almost the same. Just find the tabs button, the small square with a number in it, then swipe to the left or right to close it. You can also click this X button to close the tab, or click this three dots button, then close all tabs. So that's it for this tutorial. If this video helps you out, please subscribe or follow us. That would be a great help for us to make more videos like this. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.